So, friends, we have come to the end of a very long road. For 5 long years, well, counting our Pastillas investigation, the Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality tried to leave no stone unturned to unravel the many evils brought to our shores by Philippine offshore gaming operators, or POGOs. POGOs welcomed with open arms by the administration of former President Duterte. They have now been revealed to be nothing but a Trojan horse. They have exposed a web of people. We'll show this web. A web of people who used POGOs for their own selfish interests, their own personal gain, all at the expense of the Filipino people. Walang dinala dito ang mga POGO kundi bangungot. Despite the many heinous crimes unearthed by this committee, including large-scale scamming, corruption, kidnapping, torture, prostitution, and human trafficking, our objective has never been to prove any single individual guilty. Guo Huaping, this committee has unmasked you as a Chinese national, mocking our Filipino identity to amass wealth and commit crimes against true Filipinos. But I leave your fate, Ms. Guo, up to the courts. And I look forward to the day you face justice. Masaya nga akong wala ka rito dahil kwes na ang kaharap mo. We abide by the rule of law in this country. And these hearings were never a trial for your crimes. The same goes for your co-conspirators and bad actors. What was on trial here, however, was our very system of laws and policies which allowed these travesties to go unchecked and to fester. Ang nalilitis natin dito ay ang katibayan at kasapatan ng ating mga batas para hadlangan ang abuso ng POGO. At ang hatol, nung tinimbang, nakakalungkot at kulang na kulang. Inabuso ang ating birth certificate registration, immigration procedures, passport at visa applications, pagtayo ng negosyo sa pangalan ng kumpanya, bank secrecy, at pati ang pribilehiyong lumahok sa eleksyon at maging kawani ng gobyerno. Ngayon, lumalabas na pati ang demokrasya at pambansang seguridad natin ay nailagay na sa panganib. Nagpapasalamat ako sa NICA sa inyong malinaw na testimonya at sa assurance na tututukan ang national security concerns na na-raise dito. Ayon sa PAOK, si Xi Zhejiang ay na nagsabing kapwa niya Chinese asset si Guo Huaping ay may mga POGO rin. Truly, foreign agents use all means at their disposal, and those who think that POGOs are exempt are foolish. Natukoy ng POGO syndicates ang kahinaan ng ating mga batas. At sinamantala nila ito para magpakasasa, habang ang kapwa nila ay napipinsala. Pero bilang mga Pilipino, hindi natin papayagang magpatuloy ito. No, this is not a witch hunt. Hindi po ito tokhang. Yung nakasanayang nyong gawi, huwag nyong ibintang dito. The President has reiterated the unqualified ban on all POGOs, maging sa ilalim man ng PAGCOR, ng eco-zones o iba pa. Malinaw ang kanyang salita at ang kailangang linawin ang mga puwang ng EO74 sa lalong madaling panahon. Ang mga POGO within licensed casinos at ang mga POGO sa eco-zones, even service providers to foreign POGOs must be banned. At kung hindi ito malinaw para sa ilan at ito ang kanilang gagamiting lusot, I will file an amendment to the anti-POGO bill at the proper time. Binuo na nga ang Task Force POGO Closure kasama ang DOJ, DOLE, PAGCOR, PAOK at BI. Tututukan natin ang kanilang trabaho. The Senate President has also committed to prioritizing the enactment of the anti-POGO bill. to ensure that POGOs, whatever they may be called or disguised as in the future, will forever be banned in our country. Paparusahan at papananagutin natin ang sino mang di sumunod, lalo na kung opisyal ng gobyerno. Ipapasa natin ang mga angkop na batas para sistema kontra abuso sa civil registration, immigration, money laundering, kandidatura sa eleksyon at national security. The committee holds the DFA to its commitment to reach out to Shi Zhejiang for information in his possession on Guo Huaping, the Yang brothers, and other possible foreign agents. We will also seek to obtain these documents preparatory to the committee report. Even post-adjournment, the committee retains its jurisdiction insofar as seeking access to Shi Zhejiang is concerned. Friends, this may be the end of our hearings on POGO, but this is only the beginning of the legislative reforms that we will strive to push to ensure that every Filipino, that there will never be another Alice Guo. Guo Huaping, sisiguraduhin ko na hindi ka na makakaulit dito. At matututo ang lahat sa gagawin sa'yo. Additionally, the arrest order of Alice Guo or Guo Huaping is quashed. Kina Alex Chong, Dale Ignacio, Elias Ivy, Elias Karina, Elias Rita, this is for you. Sa mga biktima ng mga POGO sa loob at labas ng bansa, this is for you. Sa mga kababayan nating Pilipino na hirap makakuha ng ID, birth certificate at iba, pero araw-araw namumuhay ng may dangal at lumalaban ng patas, this is for you. Para sa bayan, kailanman. With many thanks to all our resource persons, this hearing is adjourned.